It's called the BOYA Magic. It's 4 forms and 1 microphone.
It's more of an audio system than a mic.
Well, hey, y'all. You can see I'm in a hotel. I'm in between projects. I just finished up a project in Colorado, and soon I'll be on an airplane traveling to Spain to do the Camino de Santiago. During these in-between moments, I start to work on what's some of the new projects that I can do and some of the new things that I can do it with.
I was looking to upgrade some of my equipment and especially my microphones. I've used this system for a long time. It's my action camera and my Rode mic, and it's been a great wireless microphone. I've really enjoyed it. It's a little big for what I need, and it takes up a little bit more space, but the quality is excellent. And then my camera fell. And when my camera fell, if you look close, it broke. There. You can see it. See that? I was afraid that on my trip to Spain, water would get in my microphone and it would fail. The internal mic of the camera just isn't good quality. I was looking for something different. And then the folks from BOYA introduced this new system, and they asked me if I would test it out. It's called the BOYA Magic. It's 4 forms and 1 microphone.
It's more of an audio system than a mic. And the stand makes for an excellent desk mic, but then it can be removed from the stand and used as a handheld mic for interviews. With 2 receivers, it can record directly into a USB-C or Apple Lightning device like a tablet or phones. And the 3rd receiver can connect directly to the audio port on cameras to record during videos. Quality packaging has become a trademark for quality products, and BOYA doesn't disappoint. Inside the box is a zippered bag filled with the BOYA Magic audio system. First is the charging handle itself. It also serves as the handheld wand and the desk mic. The foam sleeve softens the audio input. And then inside the handle are 2 small capsule-sized microphone transmitters. These are powerful little mics, and they can be removed and clipped onto the collar for a conversational type interview, or they can be left in the handle for the run and gun type interviews. A dead cat windscreen is provided for the handheld mic. And small windscreens can be snapped onto the lapel mics. Two receivers can be stored in the bottom of the hand mic. There's a receiver for Apple Lightning or for USB-C devices. A 3rd receiver is for cameras, and it can be attached with the provided audio cable directly into the microphone port on cameras. All the cables are provided. And finally, a quality tabletop tripod converts the system into a very compact but powerful desk mic. The system uses AI for noise reduction and sound equalization. It can be managed through the free app that controls the presets for the BOYA Magic system. If I could describe the BOYA Magic in 3 words, I would say it's versatile, it's quality, and it's compact. It's exactly what I need as a hiker and a content creator on the go.
My problem was solved, and This is so small that it fits easily in my bags, and I can take it anywhere on the go. Quick to set up, easy to set up. They've thought of everything. And this is what I'll be taking with me when I go to Spain. I'll record everything from there, and I will be confident that I have good audio that I can bring to you. So if you're a content creator, or if you do blogs, or if you do any kind of recording need, I highly recommend the BOYA Magic system for you. Well, thanks for watching. I got to get out of here. Got a long way to go to get back home, and then the next trip is right over the horizon. So stay safe and stay healthy. Stay on the path. God bless. Bye-bye.